You wanna know where my treasure is? I found everything this world has to offer. Take to the seas. My treasure is yours to find.
Hoist the sail and ride the tide, hear the calling of the sea. From the east blue winds we ride, chasing what we're meant to be. Raise a cup and shout it loud, let the roaring ocean speak. Dreams are bigger than the storm, and we sail for the one piece. Out from Fushio winds did blow, a boy with a straw hat grin said the sea would know his name and the age of dreams begin. Zoro swore his blades would rise, Nami charts the shifting foam. Usopp shouts of glory bright, Sanji cups where waves may roam. Storms may break and cannons cry, but the stars still guide our way. Every promise on the wind calls us further out to play. Raise the flag and never cease. Through the storm and destiny, we will find the one piece. Dreams and brothers side by side, hear the ocean's wild release. Straw hats riding wind and tide, till we claim the one piece. Across the towns and crimson sands, enemies and legends stand. Clowns and captains fall away to the courage of this band. Winter islands frozen white, giants' tails and shadows grow. New companions join the song as the grand line starts to glow. Every tear of our we keep, from the laughter to the fury, still the dream runs wild and deep. Raise the mast and light the sky, hear the thousand voices speak. Pirate hearts will never die. Wild release, straw hats riding wind and tide, till we claim the one piece. Through the wind we'll sing our tale far beyond the eastern seas, of a crew who chased their dreams and sailed for the one piece. Hoist the sail and shout again, let the roaring ocean speak. Straw hat pirates sailing on.